So we're having the discussion of whether or not to keep the lights on the tree all the time.
Off during the day.
Yeah, and turn them on a timer. She's really into it, and like Michael and I have said before, we're not going to really get to be home to enjoy it enough. And when we are home, we're so busy that it's like, well, we might as well just do it, right?
Go over there.
Go watch the tree.
Go Mommy.
Come see the tree. We're going to turn on the lights. Look at the tree.
Look.
Look. See, wow. Is it so pretty? Yeah. We came out this morning from, waking up from last night. And she came out and she saw all the decorations and she's like, whoa. And I think just overnight she kind of, I don't know, forgot about it. I mean, we did a little bit more decorating last night, but not a whole lot. I should say Michael did.
Just a little bit, not a whole lot.
I mean, like we put up those little stockings. We still have to put the rest up. And she was just like, wow. Is it so pretty? Do you like the lights? Oh, so full of sass. Uh-huh. She's touching it through the gate. Oh, boy. Don't touch. Just look, okay? Yeah, we'll see about that. So we came out to decorate outside and Chelsea went straight for the leaves. Are you gonna play in the leaves? Yeah? Oh, there goes the bucket.
Hi.
Hi. We're gonna decorate that tree in the front. Alex and I bought ornaments for it the other day. Woo! 1, 2, 3, go! Careful, some right there might be wet. You gonna go? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Hello, Edward. What's going on, guys? What's going on? I know you're out there without me. What are you doing? Oh. Oh! Don't do it, Ed! He likes to jump up in the windowsill. Yay! You did it! Is he so silly?
Okay.
Yeah, he's silly. So we bought these big bulbs and bells.
And then that one.
And the star. The snowflakes are for the porch. But these are for the tree. So we're going to go hang these all on the tree. You going to grab the bell? Got these at the Dollar Tree. Let's go hang them. Come on. Alex picked out the bells. And then we got a bunch of different colored bulbs. Come on. She picked out the star.
These are going to be hard to hang stuff on.
We'll figure it out. Just hang them wherever they look good. Come on, come hang the bell. Come do it.
I don't know how the heck we're going to hang these on.
Ah, you can figure it out. What do you think? Michael's getting us hooks because they won't stay. It's like really hard. I hung them on that thing. Oh, really? So we're gonna use hooks instead because they won't stay on otherwise.
I think I might get like a step ladder and like try to hang that star at the top.
I didn't realize how tall this tree is.
Yeah, it's taller than you are.
I thought we could hang this towards the top as like the star, but it's like really tall. It's as tall as a house. Alex is rearranging my bells.
Sorry.
That's okay. I said you could put it wherever you want. She wants to put the star up high.
Yeah, I'll put it right here.
Hey, it looks pretty good. What do you think? Got a Christmas tree in our front yard. Even if it is a pine tree. Yeah, it's really tall. Goodness. Whoa, pretty.
Okay, I don't know if that'll stay because the sun was blinding me.
Looks good, huh?
Please, no pictures. Hi.
Say hi, Dada. Look at her.
Why did you stop?
Oh, do you hear her crunching her teeth?
Oh.
Oh. Watch out, Ed. Oh my gosh.
Oh, she's bailing.
Bailing. You gotta keep your arms and legs inside the moving vehicle at all times. Woo-wee. Oh, oh. Did you hear her grinding them?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, don't do that. No.
It's like broken bones. Oh.
I guess Eddie lost that.
Eddie wasn't all that interested. This is Eddie's dog bed that we bought him. Brand new. What, like a year ago or more?
Well, yeah, a couple years ago probably.
He sat in it once for a few minutes, long enough to get it dirty so that we couldn't take it back to the store. You little jerk.
No, but he did like laying in there. We had it on the wood floor, and the grippy's not very good, so it moves on the bottom.
Yeah.
And he would move, and then it would move, and
then he'd freak out. Well, I brought it in the house because it's been in the garage ever since. So for over a year, it's been in the garage. And then I'll bring it in and see if Eddie needs a spot, and he doesn't have one. Like, it used to be back there, and he loved it back there, but lately he's not going back there, so we don't know what his deal is. So I thought, well, I'll bring that in the house and maybe get him to lay on that. Chelsea's been laying in it all day. Well, not all day, but look at her. She's like thinking, oh, this is for me. And Eddie's like, well, I don't really care. I didn't like it anyway.
Now he's interested, though.
Now he wants it because she's in it. Now they're just going to fight over it. That is kind of a nice little... Oh, look at her. You are so silly. It's time for the question of the day. Here
It
he
always
comes.
comes in pairs.
Here he comes. Oh, Michael's got to sneeze.
I always
Today's question...
twice.
Yeah, double sneezer. Today's question is about Eddie. Today's question comes from Alena Jones, and the question is, what is your favorite memory about Eddie? And I didn't think he would join us, but he did. He was hiding in the bath. He was sleeping in the bathroom.
Guys, it's my job.
Yeah, I gotta come interrupt things. That's what I do. Gotta stretch, do some yoga. Should I start with you or
Yeah, you guys have to sneeze again. Probably when we took him to Michigan and he got to play in the snow for the first time. He had a blast.
He loves the snow. He loves it.
Yep.
He loves to bounce
He had
around
so
in it.
much fun playing in the snow, eating the snow, biting the snow.
And
And that,
we
we
even
did
have.
vlog that, yeah.
Yeah, I mean that
I couldn't
was
tell you. It had to have been probably 3 or maybe
Four,
4 Christmases
maybe?
ago.
4
so
years
3 or
ago?
4 years ago at Christmas time.
long time ago, and I remember he didn't want to come inside, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cold. Or like he wouldn't want to go to the bathroom or do his business because he was too busy playing. And I was like, okay, you need to do your thing so we can go back in because it's so cold. Look at him, prairie dogging. Boop. Okay, so my favorite memory of Eddie is kind of a two-parter. When Michael and I brought Eddie home, Alex didn't know we were getting a puppy. And Alex was what, 4?
So are you gonna surprise me by getting a cat?
No. Alex,
No.
no. Alex was about 4, so she was so cute. She was so surprised and so happy. And also, so that was like my favorite memory because he went kind of bouncing up to her and she went kind of running up to him. It was so cute. Also, on the way home from getting Eddie.
That's your favorite memory.
What?
After you're gonna say what I think you're gonna say.
He peed on Michael.
That's my worst memory of him.
We were on our way
drove
home.
You
I
drove
drove
home.
No. What happened was Michael drove half the way home, and I held Eddie, and then we switched.
Oh.
And I drove the rest of the way home, and it was raining, so we couldn't really take him into the grass to go potty, and because the place where we got him was far away, and so we couldn't let him pee. And I'm like, well, hopefully we won't have any accidents. And so Michael was holding him, and he just peed on me.
Yeah.
And he peed all over Michael's lap.
You remember that?
You guys have never told me that.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah, we've talked
many
about it.
times.
Oh, yeah.
That's one of the funny things about him.
Good dog.
And Michael's like, there was our first sign. No, I'm just kidding. So, yes, Eddie peed
He's
on
laying
Michael.
the
Look at how
stocking.
cute.
I think it's his stocking.
That's his stocking. Look at him. He's snuggling his Christmas stocking. Oh, my gosh. Oh, so many good memories, even if they were peeing on Daddy. So what is your favorite memory of
When he
Ed?
wasn't a grump.
Yeah.
When we first got him.
Yeah.
Favorite memory.
Yeah. First bringing home Eddie.
I remember
We have lots of
I remember
memories with
first
Eddie.
seeing him. Just running up to him as fast as my little legs could carry me.
You were so excited.
Oh.
It was so cute. So I guess we want to know from you guys, what is your favorite memory of
from
Ed?
the vlog, what was your guys' favorite memory? And maybe something Eddie did, or
Yeah.
I mean, there's years to go back to see stuff he did.
Great.
The early years when he was a little bit more playful and energetic.
He's smelling
Yeah.
my breath.
Yeah,
Are
he
you
does that.
smelling my breath? It smells good.
Lots of good memories. Okay, so we want to know from you guys, what is your favorite memory of Ed? We'll leave it in the comments below.